Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can breed two frogs together. I'm going to use frog spawn eggs again and put two frogs together. If I hold a slime ball, they're going to look towards me, so they will start to follow me. Now if I feed both of them a slime ball, they're going to enter love mode. By entering love mode, they're going to start making baby frogs. The more you feed them, the more they're going to want to make babies. It's going to take a while. Let them move around. You can stay 2 to 3 minutes. Unless the frog escapes. So make sure you have a stabilized prison for them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.